By the sound of it, there's another bullish bounce for an emerging AI company, because Piper Sandler, a prominent brokerage firm, has initiated coverage on Soundhound AI, ticker symbol SOUN, with an overweight rating and a price target of $12. The firm's analysts are bullish on the company's prospects, describing it as a direct play on the AI revolution due to its voice AI platform. Soundhound's technology, particularly its combined automatic speech recognition, ASR, and natural language processing, NLP architecture, is seen as a competitive advantage in delivering dynamic, real-time conversational AI experiences. Soundhound's product suite spans across various sectors, including the auto, Internet of Things, IoT, restaurant, and customer service industries. The firm's analysts identify quick service restaurants, QSRs, and customer experience, CX, as the company's most promising verticals. The acquisition of Amelia has enabled Soundhound to enter the conversational AI space for contact centers, which Piper Sandler sees as a $30 billion addressable market by 2027. The analysts believe that Soundhound is an early leader in each of these markets, with a significant opportunity for growth. Piper Sandler also expects Soundhound's financials to improve as the company transitions to a subscription-based model. The firm's analysts anticipate that subscription and overtime revenues will comprise about 90% of total revenues by 2027, up from just 4% 2 years ago. This shift, along with anticipated synergies from the Amelia acquisition, is expected to drive margins higher. According to the analysts, synergies could boost margins by more than 10% over the next few years, which would be a significant improvement. However, Soundhound is not without its challenges, particularly in the auto segment where production headwinds persist. The company's exposure to the auto industry is currently around 25% of global production, and its 4 key OEM clients are expected to see a 4% decline in sales this year. Despite these challenges, Piper Sandler believes that the opportunities and setup for Soundhound are more compelling at current levels. The firm's analysts are wary of other potential issues, such as low profitability and debate around organic growth, but they remain bullish on the company's long-term prospects. All in all, the company is viewed as having strong growth potential due to low market penetration, rising average selling prices, and new customer wins. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.